Alright guys, I recently sold my M3 CS and it's going to be picked up in a couple days or so. And it's been fun. I've had it for about 2 years. And I'm surely gonna miss this M3, that's for sure. And it's only given the fact that it's only 600 of them came into the US. That's kind of one of the main reasons why I bought this car back in 2019. So let's kind of go over and what the sticker price on this car when it was new, right? So base price $98,000, and with all the options you're looking at around 102. And the nice thing about this 2018 is that the Apple CarPlay was included. So I love that feature. I didn't have to pay an extra dime on it. And if not mistaken, 2020 and above, BMW now charging you for Apple CarPlay. I believe it's about $350 to get a 20-year subscription. So it was nice enough to have this in the car when I bought it. So that price at $102,395, I actually didn't pay that. I got a heavily discounted M3 CS in 2019. So this is one of the last few M3 CS that was in the lot. And it was really funny because at that time I was looking for a regular base M3 used. And one of the dealership I was kind of talking with apparently sold the car inadvertently without telling me. So I was pretty bummed about it. It was a M3 base with Marino blue. So they didn't sell it to me, so I was like, okay, what do I want next? And they had an M3 CS on the floor that had a red tag on it, manager special, for $600 a month, lease, right? And I don't even know what the down payment was. So, and I've kind of shopped around at other dealerships, and I found another M3 CS listed. I called him and told him that, I want to pay $600 a month. So, with that said, given it, if you did the math, just a little bit of math around it, $600 a month plus approximately $6,000, $7,000 down payment plus drive-off fees, just say 10 grand. They'll net you $600 a month lease deal, right? And with that being said, that $102 price tag will be much lower, which kind of equates to around $82,000 brand new for an M3 CS. So this car right here was heavily discounted, approximately 20 grand off the lot because it wasn't moving. So I took that deal. And I'm glad I did. And had some good memories on this M3. So I don't know what I want next. It's really funny that I kind of played around and asked my wife, you know, maybe what about a BMW Supra? She goes, well, you already have a sports car, the GT3. And I was like, okay. And even toyed the idea about a Cayman GT4. She said the same thing. There's no point of you getting another sports car if you have a GT3. So, a couple options I have is probably get a used M3 CS with low mileage, buy it off, you know, direct, straight up, pay cash. Or maybe a Nissan GTR Black Series. So, I don't know. I love the CS, right? Oh, by the way, the M2 CS is out. So that could be a possible option as well. M2 CS, if I can find a dealer that doesn't give you any markup, any ADMs, you know, that there's a possibility. But the joyful thing about this M3 CS is that when I was shopping around it, I really didn't expect to get 20 grand discount. I mean, this is a 6-figure price tag on this vehicle here, and 20 grand is very substantial discount. So, I'm a little bit sad. One of the reasons why there's things that I'm a little bit nitpicky about the M3 CS, right? It's the creaking noise. I can't stand the creaking noise on the door sills. BMW dealer had attempted to repair twice already. They put some sort of a tape around it. I'm gonna show you. They put a tape around this edge right here. It's some kind of a, I don't know, adhesive. But it continues to do it. It continues to make that creaking noise. It really bothered the heck out of me. You know, but other than that, it's a fine vehicle. If you're looking for an M3 CS and, you know, you're looking for a family hauler, fit people in the back, right? Easy without moving the seats forward. M3 CS is great. This is awesome. So I'm just waiting for the new owner to come and pick up the car. I believe he's calling a transport at the moment, but we'll see who shows up, right? And the mods that I had in this car, you know, is the one of them is the M Performance height adjustable suspension, or has. So I installed that. The other ones I had was the M2 CS BBK, right? M2 CS BBK. So I installed that. I removed the blue brakes. Didn't like the blue brakes, and it was such an upgrade, significant upgrade from the blue brakes into the M2 Competition. I'm sorry, M2 Competition brakes, the silver ones. So that's the one I installed. Okay. And also, this vehicle has PPF on it, paint protection film, right? And I'm not sure if you can see, but it's nice that it kind of goes under the hood. Under the hood, See that film right there? So yeah, so this is the carbon fiber hood right here. I love it. Okay, I also used to have the carbon fiber engine cover, so I'm gonna keep that for now, just in case I get an M4 CS or an M2 CS. I can easily swap that out. So yeah, this is it, and there's my GT3. Okay, that GT3 is heavily tracked as well. So this M3 CS, I did track it once, and it's fine. It's this car is very trackable. You can do a lot of stuff with it, and it handles its own. So I'm just kind of walking around in the car. This is the old suspension, sending it over to the new owner. It's got the old springs on it. But yeah, here it is. Here it is. Just my last day with this M3 CS, and then I'm kind of want to move on to a different car. And like I said, will surely miss this M3. About this car too is that the headlights are very bright. You can see the icon lighting there, and then now you got the full headlight on. Now I know some folks actually kind of replaced the rear tails with that OLED aftermarket, but you know, this is the LCI tail light here. It actually looks pretty good. Just barely. Go in. No, it's fine. Wow. Check that AMG V8 bi turbo.